What's up everybody, my name is Spencer and this is American Electrician, and on today's video we're going to be doing some work in an abandoned trailer. So as you can see behind me, it's a pretty interesting place to say the least, but we are going to be running a new service which is already done, and then reworking some wires, which is what we're going to be working on today. This trailer was moved here from, according to the graffiti behind me, Memphis, which is what I'm going to guess, but we will be repairing some of that stuff. We just put a new 200 amp panel in, and from here we're going to rework some of the stuff that has been torn up from the move and from it being abandoned. If you're new here to American Electrician, welcome. On this channel we like to do electrical how-tos, gear reviews, and things like a day in the life of an electrician. So if that's something you're interested in, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. But for now, let's get started. All right, so this is the panel. These were cut up here, so naturally we have to put a junction box up here as close as we can. And what that looks like is this. And so now there's gonna have to be an access panel here, but it's that or redo all the wiring, and that is not what they are interested in. Quick update, my camera died, so we had to stop recording yesterday, but I did get all those boxes made up. I got the furnace fed, and because I'm so good at planning, I waited until today to do all my outside stuff, not looking at the weather, and now it's raining, now that we got to be outside. So everything that we're doing today is outside. I even forgot a rain jacket, but was saved by my buddy. So now we're gonna head outside. We have some receptacles to put in on some posts and some other stuff like that. So we're gonna get to it again. Yeah, so I got a Siemens and a Square D. I can't remember which is out there. Might be needing, so. All right. Get this done. So right now what I'm doing is I had to move my box. I prefabbed it inside, but I didn't actually, I got most of it ready, but I didn't like the side that it was on. So I switched that up, the side that this hole was in, because of the way this post is. So both of my mounts are gonna be on this side. And so I'm gonna put the mount for the seal tight on the other side. So for one, I have more room to get around that post. And that's really the main reason. It's the only one. And so my mount isn't smashed up against that. All right, that's in there, like swimwear. Also, I didn't bring my regular bag out here because it's raining and I'm not trying to get all my stuff wet. So I just have this little empty pouch or empty bag, Milwaukee bag, that I do whatever with. So that's what I ended up using, and I put what I needed in there. All right. I hate concentric knockouts for this reason right here, but it came out. I don't have any THHN, so not out with here with me, so we're gonna split this open and use it. Now this panel's off. This main breaker here is. I always do my ground first, and then from there do my neutral and then my hot. I am soaking wet already. It's gonna be a long day, and I really regret not bringing pants and a shirt to change into. I'm on my receps. All right, we finally made it. I got my stuff now for this. Finally stopped raining a little bit. So on these GFIs, everything past it is protected by the GFI. So the one on the left will be the GFI, and then the one on the right will be a regular recep, because everything outside's got to be GFI protected. So right now what I'm doing is putting these lines, or the load side, on there. Boom. It's done. All right, we're back out here, putting in a disconnect for this AC unit, and it stopped raining for a second. As soon as we started walking back outside, it started raining again, so that's just how it's gonna be today. It's a little low. Might have to pull that out. All right, everybody, that wraps up today. There was a bunch of stuff in between that I didn't actually get to film because I was running back and forth and it was frustrating. So I lost my patience, but it's done. Moving on tomorrow, be back here for a couple minutes, but not very long. So stay tuned and I'll see you guys on the next one.